This is Geoport, build number 210. Here's a look. I did a batch of these a while back, years ago. Made a lot of improvements since then in the construction, the wiring. I don't use any electrical tape anymore. Everything's shrink wrapped, soldered. The number of connections are minimized. And this is all done to, provide the longevity and make the box more durable. There's other upgrades that I've done since that batch, and so here's a look at that box. And on the top here you have your power on and off. This is your volume, Bluetooth on and off, and that's your EMF pickup here. Let's see, turn the box on here.
Power on, pairing.
So power on, pairing.
Connected.
To pair this up with Bluetooth, look for Y-16 on your Bluetooth sending device. On the back here, you can turn the voice display on and off, and you can also cycle through different patterns on the voice display here. I like the second one, so I usually push that once. It's like a graphical equalizer display, or a spectrum analyzer type display. And here is your 12-volt charge port, and this is your scanning radio input port, 3.5 millimeter port. To charge the box, it will come with a charger. To charge the box, for US chargers, I usually send this. But for this one, going to Australia, I'll be sending this one, which has, and I'm not sure this is but this is the only one available that I could find. This one has these two connectors. Hopefully that's the type you use. If not, here's an adapter to go back to the US type connector, if that's more easily available here. So, and then you would just plug that in and plug it into the wall, and if it's green, it's all charged up. If it's red or orange, it will accept a charge, and it's charging. And then here is your audio cable. Plug one end into scanning radio and the other one into the input port here. Hello? All right, next. Hello? Matt? Try this one here. George Brown. I'm a spirit researcher. I have a ghost box with me, spirit box. Can you hear me? Hello? Can you tell me your name? Jim? Did you say Jim? Jim. This is George Brown. Bear with me one moment, please. All right, here is the scanning radio that I have paired up with this device. It is a Jensen SAB 55 series FAA. And to use this device here, you turn it on. Make sure bass boost is off and the volume is up. Make sure it's on AM. It is right now. Sometimes it's on FM. Shut this off for now. So make sure that's on AM, and then you can use either the up or down scan. Hold it for a moment and then let go, and it'll continue to scan on its own. And then you're ready to go. You can go ahead and lock this keypad out by sliding this lever over, and you'll see lock show up on the screen there, and you don't have to worry about bumping these once you've done that. Yeah, it takes 2 AAA batteries. All right, and then you're ready to scan. Go ahead and turn this on. Sometimes when you touch the radio, it'll create noise, but this one doesn't seem to be doing that at the moment. Sometimes if it's too close to the box, you'll get noise. You might find a spot where you don't get noise. Like you could probably, if you wanted to, put some Velcro on. It's noisy. That side doesn't seem too bad there. The top is noisy. Like right there, you may be able to Velcro it here if you wanted. If you absolutely wanted to make it so that you could keep the radio connected to the device, you could coil this up, put a twist tie on it maybe, and throw some Velcro right there maybe. To run the device with it connected for portability. Otherwise, I normally just run the scanning radio separate here. So go ahead and set it up out of the way a little bit there, because I'm in a car. The metal could be interfering a bit with reception here. We got a big circular. What is it? Hello? Still dirt on the lens. Yeah, there it's going. Okay. This is George Brown. I'm a spirit researcher. I'm testing this spirit box. Hello? Are you a spirit? Spirit, alien, interdimensional, anybody that can come through, let me know where you're from, where you're at. I like to run it, push this selector button once, and that will run it like a spectrum, voice spectrum display. Hello? But there's other ways you can run it. This is another interactive one here. This one here, though, almost there. Actually, it's the next one. It's pretty bright out. I don't know how bright this display looks. It would look much brighter if it wasn't so bright out. Hello? My name's George Brown. Can you tell me your name? You're back? It may have been talking through the first box I tested. Did you say Jim? Now I have to get going here. Are there any other spirits that would like to speak before I leave? Hello? Thank you for speaking. Sure. All right, you have a good day now. I have to get going. Appreciate you helping me test this. Is there anything else you want to say before I go? Couldn't quite make that out. I'm sorry I couldn't make that out. Hello? Paul? Finch? No Finches. All right, thank you for speaking.